Alright, so that is Dog Island over there. And we are sailing a little bit. We just left Carabel River, Carabel Town. And we're out here having a little sail. Headed to the island to anchor for the evening. Describe it. It's just like dark on its one side. All right, so we are in Clearwater. That is Sand Island behind me. We are anchored. Woo. Pretty decent spot, I think. It took us 36 hours to get from Carabel, that river spot that we were at, which was cool, to here. Yeah, it's been a long 2 days of mostly motoring. We were able to put out a sail a little bit, but basically just motor sailing the whole time. Had the main up pretty much the whole time. Our angle of attack worked out pretty well, actually, that we were able to just get a little bit of a slice of the wind the whole time, but not to actually sail with any speed. We managed to average 4 knots, I think, the whole time, engine, which is good. I definitely want to do more sailing and less motoring, but yeah, the motor did good. And now we are here and gonna hang out for a couple days. Gonna maybe go to a restaurant or hang out on the beach. So cool.